my name is Aga Tompkins and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if this is your first time here, hi. I'm embarrassed to do it in front of me. My kids are staring at me like mortified right now, like what is going on with this woman. I decided to do a spooky Minnie Mouse look for you guys today because I was downstairs in my house and these are my ears from Disney World and I saw them and got inspired, and since it's Halloween, I figured it was fitting to do a creepy look instead of a cute look, because I don't know, I don't really love the cute looks, but it's still cute. I think it's still kind of cute. I covered up my heart tattoo here with a little Mickey Mouse symbol, so I don't know, hopefully you guys recreate this spooky mini look and be spooky this Halloween season in your house, because you're not going anywhere. Sorry. All right, check this out. I really enjoyed doing it. It was actually a really quick and easy and fun one, so I feel like you can totally do it on your children, on yourself, whatever. And you can even make some ears. Use cardboard and a little headband. Just use a hot glue gun and glue some cardboard, spray paint it, whatever. So they can't be that hard to make as long as you have a headband to hold them up, and then just a bow of your choice. Obviously, you guys know my choice, rainbow, duh. Yeah, I was inspired to do something a little spooky, but at the same time, I didn't want to go too gory because it's Disney. I wanted to keep it a little bit, you know, kid friendly, where kids won't be totally mortified. I'm Minnie. I don't know how to sound like her. Although I do have like a little kid voice kind of sometimes, so it makes sense. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any other ideas for Halloween. It's this week. Also, be sure to check out my other social medias. I have Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page. I try to post different content on all my social media. Facebook, I try to post everything on there. So be sure to check those out and go follow me on there if you want to see different things I do. Bye, guys. Oh, boy. That's what Mickey says, doesn't he? What does Minnie Mouse say? Toodles.